something that somebody that she really looked up to, and so that's what the lyrics are about. So it's called Ride Away Child.
1, 2, 3.
Touched the very soul of me, like a stallion, sure and strong, with a mission to show me what this world could be. He showed me the black of days and the brightest nights. He showed me all the powers they hold, but too far and few for this child world decides. I prayed for the words it told.